देखिए ब्रिज क्रॉस कर रहे हैं।
It's 7 mile beach.
7 miles, 7 miles bridge। और ये बिल्कुल ऐसे जगह लग रहा है कि लेक है ना, लेक को क्रॉस कर। ब्यूटीफुल एंड ब्लैक स्वॉन।
Sure, buddy, sure.
जी गाइस, कहाँ जा रहे हैं अब हम? पोर्ट
हम पेंगुइन जा रहे हैं।
पेंगुइन जा रहे हैं, नहीं पोर्ट आर्थर जा रहे हैं। कहाँ जा रहे हैं? पोर्ट। Look at that beautiful countryside. Wow. Look at this. A lot of sheep. There you go, sheep again. Yeah, I think we're just half an hour away from the countryside. Yeah. Looks like clouds. आया वो देखो सामने क्लाउड है, यहाँ धुआं निकल रहा है।
जिंदगी के दर्द को सहोगे तुम, जख्म दिल जब तुम्हें शख्स याद आए।
Head northwest towards Hobart Road, C338, then turn left onto Marshall.
जल्दी आ जाओ। है भाई। What about the trail? Want to read something or? Anyone want to come down with me? Ayan, you wanna come? हवा थोड़ी ठंडी है पर मजा आ रहा है। नाइस। वाह, isn't it nice? Oh, it looks like white sand. Beauty. Look at this beauty.
I'm sure. I will. And when I look at you,
Wow. Stay there, Ryan.
not dead. Oh, he's not dead.
Stay there, guys.
But now we have to pay for this license.
Stay there, मैं आ रहा हूँ। वो
You have no right to come up. Look at me. I'll become a cat. Yeah, look at this.
Guys, here's the blowhole. Hello guys, there's the blowhole, but I think it's pretty, due to no waves, it's not active, right?
No, it is.
Look, we can't see much waves in here, and it all depends, I think it all depends on it all depends on the wind.
No, nothing to do with
Well, when the wind is on this side, the water is on this side.
no cause.
Yeah, tides, yeah, another way. So we are outside Port Arthur historic site. Let's see what we're gonna find in here. Alright, stay tuned. Come on, boy. This beach is White Beach, guys. It's in Hobart. So we have white sand around that area over there. यहाँ पे तो sand है ही नहीं. थोड़ी देर में उधर जाएंगे. फिर बनाते हैं picture. अस्सलाम वालेकुम हयान, कहाँ पे हो आप?
We're on a white beach.
ऊंचा बोलो.
We're on a white beach.
We're on a white beach.
A white beach.
Okay. Go guys, look here. Come here.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is gonna be the end of our day 2 Tasmania trip. So goodbye, see you later tomorrow.